Our friends at 49th and Market have been at it again. This time, Lilacs is what's coming up. These are the Lilac Mini Collection, 12 by 12 papers. Now you're going to get 4 double-sided sheets, but you get bonuses too. And one of the bonuses is on the back of the cover sheet. And be sure to note that you also have this border that just gets trimmed off. That way it becomes 12 by 12. Let me show you the other papers. True to 49th and Market's, what they always do is a wonderful job of collage. You can see the back side of that. Here is another. Same thing. You have a fun border along the bottom. Look at that. It looks like some stitching. And more. And again, more stitching. Then really the wonderfulness also is this. There are 2 sheets that are 12 by 12, and they have a total of 46 laser cut images. So let me just pull this one aside, and they are beautiful. They just pop out perfectly, and they are cut right along the edge of the artwork, so no border is showing. You can see all of those. And then we also have these. This is what I can tell you, is that they just pop out so easily. 46 designs. They are going to make beautiful embellishments onto these papers, but I'm not done. There are also Lilac Washi Strips. Now you're going to get a total of 7 washi strips on each sheet. There are 2 sheets, and the washi strips are 7 1/4 inches long. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, 7. And you just lift them up and use them. They are very translucent. There we go. Whoops. Okay. And there, as you can see. So you're getting those 7 designs and a total of 14 strips. So nice size to fit on any size card. And there's more. So they have also created all of these die-cut pieces. Now there are a total of 34, and you can see there are some that are smaller, just very wonderful bits of ephemera. And so it looks like it's been out of a magazine or a book, all kinds of and you can see they go very large. Look at that, isn't that pretty? So it looks like an envelope, just lots and lots of things that are included. Tickets, doilies, a Viewmaster, just lots and lots of things that you can embellish, layer, and just use to your heart's content. A beautiful combination to go with the Lilac Mini Collection, as well as the Lilac Washi Tape, again, from our friends at 49th and Market.